Hello and welcome to Martin Lucas Investors channel. My name is Sensei Crypto and I'm here doing the Sunday show. Welcome in everyone, we're always here every Sunday, this time every Sunday, but today we have a very special show. We're looking at my favourite asset, my favourite cryptocurrency, one that I've been saying is going to do well. And I want to make clear before we start this live show, and if you're watching this later as a video, um, this is not a pump and dump channel. We are not like other YouTubers. We're not like other X posting people. The vast majority of people that are now covering XRP are just doing it for clickbait, for attention, for not just the way you should use clickbait, but in completely false terms. So we're going to be covering that. We're going to be showing, we're going to expose a lot of these lies, and we're going to continue doing our best analysis without all of the extra hype and fake news. So thank you for joining me, and I want to make clear that anything I say during this video / live stream should not be taken as financial advice. I'm just here giving my own opinions. I'm going to be showing you exactly what trades I'm doing. I'm only doing this for educational and entertainment purposes only. I do love charts, and I think XRP's chart was looking very bullish for the last couple of years. And especially in the last couple of months. So we're going to be covering that, but nothing I say is financial advice. So please don't do anything don't follow me blindly. Do your own research. I want to make that clear because I'm not here to pump and dump. I'm not here to give my false views. I'm not here to sell videos. So welcome in everyone. If you are watching, please hit the like button. Um, and do subscribe if you haven't already. I am a massive XRP bull. I have been bullish on XRP. All the members of this channel, all the people that have been watching for the last couple of years know that I haven't just become an XRP bull. I've been covering the court case. I have been holding XRP. I bought XRP in 2017. I bought the majority of my XRP during this bear market. I have been holding. I have purchased XRP around $1 again in 21, and then brought my average down to around 40 cents by buying a lot at 30 cents during the bear market. So I am going to be revealing my full XRP exit strategy. I've got all my levels. We need to think a few levels ahead. So I'm going to be bringing you exactly how I'm going to be exiting my XRP position. Have I been selling? Will I be selling? I will let you know all of that. That's all to come. So thank you all for tuning in. It's lovely that we are live and XRP is also pumping. We are currently at $2.15. And this is what we've wanted to see. And XRP went as high as $2.20. On Coinbase, it actually jumped up to $2.40. So we'll have a look at that as well, and see what caused Coinbase's price to go even about another 5–10% higher than the actual price, which is interesting to see as well. So thank you all for tuning in. Let's see how many people we've got during this live stream. We've got 96 people here. So I'll start my full XRP analysis once we hit 100 likes. So please do hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to be giving you my personal take on XRP. So thank you all for tuning in. It's going to be one of our busiest shows, so please do hit that like button. Once we hit 100 likes, I'll be doing my full XRP analysis. I do have all my levels ready for you guys. So let me see what I can bring. So here we go. I've got my full chart. I'm ready to give you all my sell zones. I'm ready to tell you where I think XRP is going. I'm going to tell you how I'm going to trade the 16-minute scandal, the one that everyone's been saying was going to be tonight. The owner of this channel, Martyn Lucas, has come out and brought you the news that he's contacted the company, and we know that that's not airing today. So I'd like to thank Martyn for bringing that news to us, because a lot of people was giving fake news that Brad Garlinghouse would be on 60 Minutes tonight, and that was not the case. So I'll be telling you how I'm going to trade the 60-minute interview once that comes out. Maybe it's next Sunday, maybe it's the week after, maybe it'll take a bit longer. But we're not going to tell you when it is when we don't have the news. We're not making up news here. We're also going to be discussing the RLUSD stablecoin, something that I think is going to be great for Ripple, the company, and actually XRP's price as well. But the most important thing is I'm going to be revealing my full exit strategy on XRP, because what's the point of having all these gains but not realizing them? And I'm going to give you my price target for XRP as well. So as I said, 100 likes, and we'll be starting my full XRP analysis, along with how I'm going to be exiting the market. Let's have a look at your comments before we go any further. So James was here. Thank you. Wadey's here as well. We've got a few new people that aren't members. As you can see, normally when we do these shows, about 95% of the people commenting have a badge. That is because they're members, and they always get priority. However, we do have a large XRP audience as well, so I'm not going to be ignoring your questions. We will be discussing everyone's questions in today's live stream. Development Alert Uganda is one of our charity partners. He is back in the show. Hi, Martyn. It's been hard for us, but I'm glad to raise something to renew our membership. I miss the family whenever unable to renew our membership. Welcome back, Development Alert, and I hope you are well, and thank you for everything you do. Vaz is here. Welcome in, Vaz, a regular viewer. Stephen Lewandowski. Mike is here. Mike is also an XRP holder. Vaz says, Sensei, I know this will be a busy one focusing on crypto, but if you find a few minutes to go through Arch and Joby, Vaz, if we find time, we can do that. But do remind me later on, we'll do the XRP analysis first. How many likes are we at now? We've got 129 people watching. If you have just tuned in, I'm going to be doing my full XRP analysis, my sell zones, my buy zones, where I think it's going. I'm going to be exposing a few lies as well. We've got 72 views, likes so far. As soon as we hit 100 likes, we will start that. So please do hit the like button. And it's great. We're streaming while XRP is pumping as well, so we can do some shorter term analysis as well. Stacey's here. Stacey's a crypto holder. Welcome in. Wadey says, hi, Sensei, Gala and Flare update, please. I think they're on your portfolio. That is right. I do hold Gala, Flare. Flare is one that's on the XRP blockchain. A lot of XRP holders in the channel today, so you will know that if you are holding XRP, I think it was January 2022, you would have received an airdrop of Flare tokens. And I think Flare is one of the ones that's going to perform really well as well, and it's got lower market cap, so that can perform, give us better gains than XRP in the over the next year. Good afternoon, says Steve. Cameron Griffin, good gains. Cameron's loving it. Welcome in, Cameron. Did you sell? Mike says Stacy, not yet. Just bought 100,000 worth, holding to $5. Go XRP, goodbye Swift. Jonathan Fight, that's a big purchase. Congratulations to you. I'll be $5 is one of my key levels as well. I'll be showing you levels around that as well. So let's see if I can give you my perspective on that as well. Welcome to the XRP family. Welcome to owning a great asset, in my opinion. Can you review Serve? The classic car nut. If we have time, we will. It's going to be a very busy show. For everyone who's new here, what we do on Sunday shows is I do technical analysis. All the members give their requests and we look at the charts. That's a normal Sunday show, but today obviously it's a bit busier and we want to cover XRP as it is breaking out, and we're very happy about that. Chart at 100 likes, yes. So we will be doing the chart in as soon as we hit 100 likes. So please do hit that like button. I will be I'll do my full XRP analysis once we hit 100 likes. Hi, if XRP is working with BRICS, does that affect the USA to adopt it? Where is the evidence for that? This is you might be hearing a lot of lies. I'm going to say it bluntly. There's a lot of fake news. There's a lot of lies around XRP right now. There's a lot of people just trying to sell videos. This is not what we do. We've been here every single week. I've been here every Sunday. Martyn's been live basically over 8 hours a day during trading days, Monday to Friday, for the last 4 years. We're not here to sell videos. We're not like other channels. We give our honest thoughts. So we're not going to give you fake news. we don't have evidence that XRP is working with BRICS. We don't have evidence that XRP is going to $1,000. We don't have evidence that that 60 Minutes was airing tonight. So I'm going to be exposing a few people as well. We're here. I've been here throughout the bear market when at times we've had 20 viewers live, 10 viewers live, 30 viewers live, and I don't mind that because they're real people. And I wasn't making fake content up to attract some new viewers. We've just been honest the whole time. And so I have not seen any evidence that XRP is working with BRICS. And I don't blame you for thinking that because there's a lot of people that just make up things. Loving XRP so much, but don't forget XLM and HBAR, possibly sleeping giants for sure. That is a great comment. XLM, what did I say about XLM? 3 weeks ago on the show, I said XRP is performing well, XLM is going to catch up. And then in that week, XLM did a 3x. So I think XLM's good. Is it going to do another 3x? Probably, but is it going to do any more? Maybe not. HBAR as well, we've covered, and we've said that's a good crypto as well, in our opinion. MSK is here. He's a big holder of XRP. I think he's got over $100,000 in XRP, and he must be loving it right now. So congratulations, MSK. He only became a holder of XRP in the last year, but he got in at a good price. I think around between 30 and 50 cents. MSK got in. So congratulations, MSK. You must be loving it today. Long day if we don't hit 100 likes. Brenton, don't worry, we will hit 100 likes. As soon as we hit 100 likes, I'm going to be going through my full XRP take profit levels. I'm going to be telling you exactly, I've been studying the chart for about 5 hours on my own today, coming up with all these levels that trying to keep it as simple as possible. Levels, percentages of how I'm going to exit my XRP position. It's very important to buy at good prices, but the harder part is actually to realize those gains. What happens in every cycle is that when the new people come in, they are the exit liquidity for everyone else, and we don't want to be the exit liquidity. There's going to be more people coming into this crypto bull run, and that's at the point where we need to have a strategy to exit our positions. I've got a couple thousand XRP. Should I buy more? Mark, I'm not here to give financial advice. It depends on your own situation. When I've been saying to buy it under 50 cents for the last 2 years, it's very hard for me to say, oh, $2 is a good buy. Do I think we're going to go higher than $2? Yes. Do I think we're going to break all-time highs? Yes. Do I think there's a chance we get to $10? Yes. But the risk is much more risky buying XRP at $2 than it was at 50 cents. Of course it is. So you have to make your own decision. I'll tell you why I'm getting out, and you can make your own informed decision. I'm not giving any financial advice here. I'm not going to be one of those people that is saying that buy all the time. It's always the right decision to buy. That's not what we do here. 19 to go. 100 likes for the. We got 9 more likes. Hit the like button, and we'll start the XRP technical analysis. I'll do my full XRP exit strategy, and we'll be exposing a few bad actors. Up is the only leader for QF. James is here. Welcome in, James. 212,000 XRP at 41 USD. When to start selling is a conundrum. Yes, it is. It's always easy to buy the Martyn, who's the owner of this channel. You've probably come across him. His quote is making money is easy. The hard part is keeping it, and that is true, and that's why we need to think ahead. And when are we going to sell? I'm going to give you my full exit strategy on XRP as soon as we hit 100 likes. I've been here since the beginning, and Sensei XRP prospects are always spot on. Go Sensei. Thank you very much, Kath. We have seen you in the channel before. It's glad to have you back. I've been here since the beginning, and Sensei's XRP prospects are always spot on. Go Sensei. Thank you very much. That is great. Hi Vaz, 18 likes to go for the XRP chart. Yes, that's right. 100 likes, so close. Hit the like button. It's free. Brenton Meadows, Aussie Radio Picker. I'm loving your energy. Welcome into the channel. Hopefully you stick around for future videos. I love the energy. So please do hit that like button and welcome into the channel. Welcome in everyone who's new, who hasn't seen us before. You have come across a channel that doesn't pump and dump. You come across a channel that are real people, real family, one that's been built up slowly. There's no fake news here. We don't want fake people watching our channel. We don't want. Here we go. XRP is still pumping. So let's see how many likes we've got. Let's go. It's chart time. Now click share so the world sees the best XRP. Have we hit 100 likes? Let's check. Are you subscribed as well? If you haven't subscribed, we're not doing it. So hit that button. It takes 1 second. Hit the subscribe button and let's get straight into it. Let me refresh this and see if we've hit 100 likes. We are at 106 likes, 181 people watching. Welcoming everyone. We're going to start our full XRP chart analysis and let's get straight onto it. I promise that I'll do 100 likes. We've hit 100 likes. You've done your part. Let me do mine. Okay, so let's have I'm going to put this out as a video as well for all the people that will be watching this later on as well. So let's do it as a video format. Thank you for making us hit 100 likes. That means we can get on with the show. Breaking news on Martyn Lucas Investors channel. We're looking at XRP. How well has it been performing? Spot on. What we've been saying is buying it around 50 cents, buying it at 30 cents. We've been enjoying this run up, but what's more important than buying is knowing when to sell. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you my full exit strategy on XRP, the exact levels I'm going to be selling and where I'm going to be selling. I'm going to be exposing a lot of bad actors that are just creating lies, trying to sell videos. That's not what we do here on the channel. We give you the real information. We fact check our information, and we're not here to sell videos. We're here to serve the family. We're here to serve our members. We have a big responsibility and we don't like creating fake news like a lot of other channels seem to be doing. I want to make one thing clear. Anything I say during this video should not be taken as financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Even if I was, I can't give financial advice on YouTube. This is a very volatile crypto. Don't put in more than you can afford to lose. Nothing I say during this video is advice. Don't take what I'm saying as gospel. Everyone makes mistakes. So without further ado, let's look at XRP's chart. Let's expose those bad actors. Let me tell you my full exit strategy. It's very important to know when to sell. The easy part is, as Martyn likes to say, it's easy to make money, but the hard part is to keep it. So I've developed this chart. I've been looking at this chart for a few hours. I've looked at various ways to take profit. But we need to keep it simple. There's no need to overcomplicate a exit strategy on XRP. XRP has been pumping over the last 2 weeks. It's doubled over the last month. It's the monthly candle closed just yesterday, and we can see that monthly candle was about 283% to the upside. That's about 3x. So that's actually over 3x. So congratulations to everyone who's been in XRP. It's been, as I said, it's going to be a long bear market. It's going to be very, very boring. This was all boring. We've been covering XRP throughout this whole bear market. We've been covering XRP since 2021 as well, when it was been suppressed because of the court case. We've been covering the court case. We were spot on with the court case. We had that little pump, but unfortunately that pump didn't come at a good time. If Bitcoin was in a bull market and we got that SEC ruling back then, XRP would have been doing what it's doing now back then. However, once, as we know, Bitcoin controls the market, Bitcoin broke out, it allowed XRP to break out as well. So we've seen beautiful gains on XRP. It was a very boring time here. We're live every week with very low viewership on my Sunday shows. But we weren't making up news. We weren't here to create false narratives, and it's finally paid off. And XRP is continuing to break out. We've taken out its 2021 highs. It's a very significant level. There are more significant levels, but the 2021 highs have been taken out. We knew that would happen because back then the price was being suppressed. Exchanges weren't listing XRP. There was a war on XRP and Ripple, the company that uses XRP's technology, and that was suppressing the price of XRP. So we knew we were going to break out of the 2021 highs because we were under different market conditions back there for XRP. There was a lot of XRP haters, people saying XRP's technology is terrible, people saying XRP is going to go to zero. And look where we are now, and we're outperforming practically most of the crypto market. I think we've even outperformed Bitcoin at this point. So XRP is one of the best performing crypto assets, and I'm not surprised. I said the longer we go sideways, the longer we accumulate the price, the higher it can go. So where am I looking to sell? Please stick around to the end of the video for my full analysis on my sell levels, as long as all these crypto lies that we're going to expose throughout this video. If you do hold XRP, if you do like XRP, if you do like the fact we don't pump and dump, please do hit that like button. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. If we get 500 likes on this video, I will be doing a giveaway. I'll be giving back to you guys. I've just thought of that on the spot, so I don't know exactly what that will be. But if we hit 500 likes on this video, when this video comes out, I will be doing a giveaway, and I'll give you the details of that maybe in my next Sunday show. I'm live every Sunday, so next Sunday we'll be doing a giveaway if we hit 500 likes. So and if we hit 500 likes, I'll also be donating to our charity partner. I'll be giving away $100 to our charity partner. He is in the channel right now. It's Development Alert Uganda. He does he creates wells in Uganda. He helps with education. I've supported him before, and I'll be giving $100 away just to Development Uganda, and I'll also be doing a giveaway for one lucky winner maybe next Sunday. So it's free, it takes a second, hit that like button. 500 likes is what we're targeting. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. But let's get straight into it. So what should we start with? Let's start with all these lies that are going around. I spent 2 hours, no, not even 2 hours. I think it was about half an hour, 1 hour, scrolling through my Twitter feed, and I came across so many lies. Remember, this 60-minute interview was the lies coming around that were horrific. That's why the owner of this channel, Martyn Lucas, came out and he gave you the facts. He contacted this company. He's got great connections. He contacted 60 Minutes, and they confirmed what we thought. It's not coming out today. It's not that there is no listing. So that was all lies, and we exposed those lies. But there's more lies coming out from all these people. Crypto Geek, here we go. You're 48 hours away from $14.73 per XRP. What is going on? This is where are you getting this news from? No one can predict the future like that. $14.73. Do you know that? I think at that point you're surpassing the market cap of Ethereum. That was on November the 30th. So good luck to him. But he is just selling fake news.
$1.81 is about to happen when Bitcoin breaks out to 97. And
well, look at this. This is look at what he's showing. When RLUSD goes live, we're looking at $149. It's just absurd price predictions. It's just trying to get clickbait. It's absurd price predictions. FedNow payment integration, $2,742. Absolutely insane. That is never happening, I don't think, even in 100 years. I just cannot see that happening. And 63,000 for global payment integration. This is just complete fake news. It makes me so angry because people hold on to their crypto for their XRP bags for way too long, and then they miss out on taking profits. I've seen people go from millions of dollars to $3, $4, $5, $10,000 in a crypto bear market. We need to know when to sell. We need to have a strategy. I'm going to be revealing my strategy later on in this video, but you need to create your own strategy to get out, and you need to stop listening to people like this. This is great. This is great for bringing new people in, for liquidity. All these people that are going to be thinking XRP is going to $100 a cycle, they're great because they're going to be holding on while we're going to be exiting. But if you're following this channel, you know this is fake news, and you know that's not going to happen. Here's another one. Is XRP going to $3,000? No, it's not. It's completely fake. What's he on about?
The question is, what happens if 300,000 people...
It's just random numbers. Absolutely, it's just 2,000 likes. There's people following this guy completely blindly. I think it's absolutely ridiculous. Here's another one. RLUSD. This is one of the reasons XRP is going up in price. This is because we are waiting to hear approval from the New York court or the New York Commission about the RLUSD. It's probably going to be the best stable coin on the XRP ledger, done by a company that's always regulatory first. People come into crypto and they think that regulation is not important. We need to avoid regulation. Regulation is terrible. Actually, regulation is good as long as we know what the regulation is, and as long as it's clear. The regulation's never been clear for crypto. We have been on the right side of the law with the XRP case. That's why we've come out victorious. The only cryptocurrency that is not a security, that's deemed not a security in the US, in the United States of America, the only one that's got clarity saying that XRP, the token, is not a security. That's another reason XRP is my top holding, is because regulation is important. I think when the Ripple USD comes out, it's going to be very important, but we don't know the date. This is, again, it's fake news. 12 for the 4th, 24. Anyone can make updates. Just a reminder that this is also fake news. Here's another one. XRP can easily, listen to that, XRP can easily reach
Because
$10,000.
XRP has the potential to reach $10,000. Here's why. I know that $10,000 XRP price tag sounds ridiculous since XRP is sitting at...
It's completely ridiculous, and he knows it's ridiculous. He knows it's never going to get there. He's going to sell all his bags much sooner than that. He's just creating videos. He's trying to get engagement. But I just don't want anyone who's following this channel, if you found this channel, you're very lucky, especially if you're new to crypto, because you need to know that this is all lies. This is just within 30, 40 minutes of scrolling my Twitter, I found all this. And I know about crypto. There's lots of people that can think, that can come into the crypto markets and believe this and think this is possible for XRP. It's not possible.
Saw that certain thing going above $10,000, and I saw it going to $5 quickly. And the Lord told me that this would be big, like Apple, Microsoft. It would be.
What even is this? He's trying to bring God into this and saying that the Lord has told him. I mean, I just find this ridiculous. The same person who predicted Trump's assassination says 10,000 per XRP. I mean, I don't know how this has got so many views, how many likes, how many people are falling for this stuff. XRP is not going to $10,000. You need to lower your expectations a lot, and I'm going to be revealing my full XRP strategy. If you're enjoying the video so far, as I said, 500 likes, we're going to be giving $100 away to charity. Our charity partner is in the channel right now. I'll also be doing a giveaway for one of you viewers. Just in, here we go. This is another one. Just in, as if it's verified news. BlackRock to pour $9 trillion into XRP, according to recent publications. Previously, BlackRock and JP Morgan had revealed intent to launch XRP ETF. Again, yes, I think an XRP ETF is coming. I do think that. I think that's great, and that's going to be great for the price of XRP. However, you can't just say the news is $9 trillion, they're going to pour $9 trillion into XRP. It's just absolutely ridiculous. That is not happening, and they're not the ones doing it. If an ETF comes, it's people buying, and it's not going to be $9 trillion, unfortunately, this market cycle. However, I think $9 trillion might, and the market cap of XRP one day might be $9 trillion. That is possible, but that's not a price of $1,000. That's much lower, but not this cycle. I think we'll be very lucky to hit $1 trillion for XRP this cycle, but I'll be revealing my positions and when I'll be selling XRP. I just want to expose all these lies, especially for all the new people that have come into XRP, just trying to lower your expectations and give you the real news. Are you mentally prepared for this, XRP? Look, it's just moons and we're going to all get rich. It's hard. It's not easy to keep the money that you're going to make in XRP in this crypto bull run. It's making money is the easy part. Keeping it is hard. People are making it seem very easier. We're all going to become millionaires. We're all going to do this. We're all going to do that. Having a rocket ship to $120, it's not going to be easy. You need a strategy, and I'm going to be showing you my strategy so that hopefully that makes you think of creating your own strategy. We've got someone in the channel right now saying, I truly appreciate you being so honest about crypto. There's just too many people out there talking. Yes, there is, and that's not what we want to do on the channel. We're not here to sell videos. We're here to give you our honest opinions. We don't want people falling for all of this well, it's not even clickbait because it's just fake. Here's another one. BlackRock and JP Morgan readying to submit XRP ETF verified. We don't know if it's verified yet. We do know there's some applications coming out. I haven't seen any application from BlackRock or JP Morgan, but we have seen some XRP ETFs applications being put in. I think they will come once the court case is fully finished. I think that will come to light, and I think that XRP court case might be coming to a close later on. Look, I'm saying I think, I don't know, but there's a strong possibility that now Gary Gensler's out, Gary Gensler was terrible for this industry. He kept lying. He kept saying it's clear, all the regulations are clear. I think the XRP lawyer, the Ripple lawyers, did very well in in their court case by saying that it's not been clear. We've been trying to follow the regulations for the longest time, but you just keep changing it, keep making it up. But once that court case comes to an end, I think an ETF can be on the horizon, and that'd be great for the price. Here's another one. Boom. Here we go. Just absolutely random. Breaking. XRP glitch this morning. 62,000 per XRP. It's just absolute rubbish. I'm not even going to spend any time on this. Here's another one. 60-minute Brad Garlinghouse. Watch this. Oh, this is what we had to debunk. Martyn came out here and changed this and corrected this straight away, because this could have created a lot of terrible trades for people. It could have affected a lot of people because people take this seriously. On Sunday, December the 1st, 60 Minute is about to interview Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse. That's today. Do we see an interview? No, we don't. I guess he'll talk about the launch of ISUD, which will complement XRP. Ripple is targeting December the 4th as a possible launch date. Again, where she got that from, December the 4th as a possible launch of our LUSD. We don't have that. I do actually think it's going to be soon. I think it's going to be in the month of December that we do get the launch of our LUSD, and that's from proper journalism, from proper people. I've got that information. I speak to a lot of. I've been in the crypto community for about 6 years. 7 years. I've been going to so many crypto events. And I've been following proper journalism, and I do think that RLUSD coin is coming this month. We can't give you a date because we don't know a date. However, this has been proven wrong now. On Sunday, December the 1st, 60 Minutes going live. This was very important, and I thank Martyn for coming out with the news and contacting the 60 Minutes members and clarifying that that's not happening. Brad on 60 Minutes this Sunday. Nope. Looks like the show will start at 7. No. Please share for XRP awareness. He thinks all of these people just hate it because they think they're doing us a favor. They think they're part of the XRP community. Please share for awareness. Do us all a favor. No, if you share this, then you're just sharing fake news. We don't want people sharing fake stuff. Here's another one. Sunday the 1st December. Nope, it wasn't. This is the tweet, the only tweet you can go by the CEO of Ripple. Last week, 60 Minute interviewed me about crypto. I'm very excited for this interview, but I'll tell you how I'm going to trade it because it might be a sell the news event. But I'm very excited about this interview because a lot of people that aren't in crypto will see what a great guy Brad Garlinghouse has and what great technology they're using, XRP. But this is all we had to go off. Last week, 60 Minute interviewed me about crypto, the push for regulatory clarity, and how the industry banded together to advocate for pro-innovation candidates on both sides of the aisle through Fairshake PAC. Full episode to be aired soon. Stay tuned for details. Stay tuned for details. Calm down. Don't make up random predictions. Stay tuned for details. We're coming to the end of this, and I'll give you my full XRP strategy. Let me just go through a few more. The 60-minute episode that just aired was amazing. Did you see what you guys said about XRP? It's just complete, what's it called? Click farming, fake news. It didn't air. This is what the news we want to bring you. XRP settlement, SEC settlement with Ripple, 149 per XRP. It is fake. That is not a thing. Brad Garlinghouse has confirmed Ripple's intent to become a major shareholder in Swift. Fake news, and they're doing fake giveaways. We won't do fake giveaways. Once we hit 500 likes on this video, do hit the like button. I'll share you proof I give $100 to charity. And as I said, 500 likes, we'll do some sort of giveaway for the community as well. But this was all fake. I am willing to bet that this person didn't give any money away. Here's another one. A TikToker, all these TikTok predictions, predicts that XRP is good. As if that gives him any credibility. A TikToker predicts XRP is going to skyrocket. So the price of XRP will hit $10,000.
13 trillion.
Fake news. Don't sell your XRP until these. So this one actually has a few. I did actually see a few important things on this. He's given 7 reasons. I think 3 of them are important. This is actually. I wanted to bring this as well. Don't sell your XRP until these targets have been met. Again, I don't agree with the sentiment. Sell your XRP when it's right for you. Sell your XRP when you have made money that's going to change your life. Sell your XRP when sell your XRP if you can't afford to lose it. If you can't afford an 80% drop, because 80% drops come in bear markets. If you can't afford that, then sell your XRP. I chose XRP because I don't mind if it goes down at 80% in value because I like the technology. It's going to stick around, but I don't like how he said don't sell XRP until these targets have met, but some of these targets, RLUSD is released. That is going to be good for XRP, especially the build up to that is going to be good for XRP. When it gets released, maybe it's a little bit of a sell the news event, but he's given a few other. Trump is in the White House. Again, that's not going to have a real effect because we've already seen what Trump wants to do. So that's already been factored in. Gary officially leaves the SEC. That's not going to have too big an effect because we've already seen the effect of that. We already know he's leaving. The Ripple case ends, so that's again that will be a little bit important. Seeing when that, if we come to a settlement or if the case is dropped by the SEC, that will be a good catalyst. So yes, I agree with that one. Alt season starts again. We haven't seen the full blown alt season. We might not get an alt season. Cycles suggest we do. We should get an alt season. I am expecting alt season, but we might not get a full-blown alt season. Yes, I agree slightly with that. Ripple named big bank partnership. We don't have to wait for that. We don't have any news that there is going to be a big bank partnership yet. XRP's ETF approval. I think this is going to be a big one. I think as we saw with ETHs, how much ETH went up before the ETF. I think that's going to be if that comes to fruition during this bull market, I think that's going to have a major effect on XRP's price. So that's not been the worst one we've seen, but yes, I think we can come to an end of this. And here's another one: XRP skyrockets $100 within reach of momentum builds, and it's just weird videos they're putting out. So why have I been telling you about that? Well, it's just because I don't want people that are watching this channel just to think that what they've been watching on TikTok and Twitter and other channels is true. Those people only care about themselves. Those people only care about making themselves money. They might not even hold XRP. They might just be making money off all these fake content they're creating. They might just be wanting some exit liquidity, so they pump these XRP and then they sell it on you while they've sold all their XRP. They're still trying to get the price going up. These people are probably just trying to make money by selling videos. That's not what we do here. And it's important to see what the sentiment is. What is true is there are a couple important indicators. As I said, XRP ETF will be great. The Ripple USD coin is going to be great. That's all going to be very important. But now we come to the main part of the show, which is my exit strategy. I've spent a good few hours thinking of the best way to take my profits on XRP, and I've just used some very simple indicators. Fibonacci's always work great, so that's what I've been using, and just some of my own common sense. So I've been looking at previous cycles as well, to look at where to take the Fibonacci points from. I've taken most of my levels are from Fibonacci points from the highs, the all-time highs to the all-time lows. Some Fibonacci points from the 2021 highs to this bear market lows. I've also been looking at I'll show you here. Hopefully that doesn't delete that. I've been looking at how previously the market has traded in very volatile periods when XRP has gone up a lot. I've been seeing exact percentage moves, 531% in 13 days, then a 2 days with a 50% drop. So I've been taking this all into account. So that was back in 2017. We saw a massive breakout, 531% move to the upside within 13 days, and then there was a 2-day consolidation with a 50% drop. So the reason that's important is there will be volatility on the way up. There will be big drops. There was a bull flag there, 45% in 3 days, 34% in 2 days, and then it was 738% in 22 days. I've been saying this throughout the whole of the bear market. When XRP moves, it moves. And when it moves up very fast. So that has been important to take into account. And then I've been looking at the chart, analyzing this, and I've come up with my sell levels. So if I can just bring up what you've been waiting for is exactly where I'm going to be selling. I'm going to give you my targets. Again, this is not financial advice. This is what I would be doing. And let me just remind you, we've broken out of the 2021 highs, which is great. We are heading up to, I think, all-time highs, which is about $3.37. If you look at my Twitter, I don't post that much. I should hopefully I'll be posting a bit more, but my main tweet which I've pinned since 2023. XRP will change people's life. Any day now, the judge will make her ruling. I'm optimistic she'll make the correct decision. That's happened. That was right. She made her ruling. She made the correct decision. XRP will make all new all-time highs. I feel sorry for anyone who doesn't own any. Here's my ledger, 100% XRP. That was at a price of 52 cents. We've been buying around 30 cents. I was very clear with you guys. No lies, no fake news. I just said my opinion, where I said it will make new all-time highs. Not terrible price prediction. I'm not saying it's going to $100. I gave you my price prediction and when I was buying. Now we're sat at $2.16. So we've taken out those previous highs. And if we look at the weekly um, chart, here we go. So I've got a few lines in green. These levels, for me personally, they are points where I might be selling, but they're points where I might be selling just because there's resistance, so I can buy more XRP and buy it back. So I've got a few levels which I might see resistance. Right now, I think we're going up. I don't think there's much resistance in our way, unless Bitcoin corrects. Remember, Bitcoin's we can look at Bitcoin in a second. If Bitcoin corrects, then XRP might come down a little bit. But if Bitcoin goes sideways or up, I think we'll move up another 21% with no resistance above. That will be the 786 from the all-time high. That's a key level. Excuse me. That's a key level. So $2.62. I think there will be some resistance there. I might sell a little bit there and buy back a bit lower. The next key level, the 1618 from 2021, another key level. That's on the Fibonacci. That is around $3. So $3 again. I might sell there, buy back at $2.62. So I can accumulate more XRP, and then it's the all-time high at $3.30. That again can be it won't be as significant at these other two levels, but $3.30 might be another level where I might sell a little bit of my position and buy back. At these points, I might sell about 10 to 15% of my position, probably buy back most of it, might take some profits, might try and get my initial investment out of XRP. But those aren't key levels. Those aren't my bull market predictions. And then we come on to my bull market predictions. The 2618 from 2021, $4.65. That is where I'm going to be taking out around 15% of my position. 15% of my position, around that amount, I'll be taking out at around $4.70. Another 10-15% around $5.31. My main target was $5 because I bought quite low at 30 to 50 cents. I'm happy with those gains. And $5, I'll be taking out another 10 to 15, maybe even 20% of my position at $5.30. And at that point, I've made money. I've taken profits. I've actually made just from the percentage I would have taken out at that point, I would have made a significant profit, even by just only selling around 30% of my position. Then we've got levels which are harder to reach, but I think still possible. $6.37, I'll sell another 10 to 15%. $6.37, that is another key level. That's a 3618 on the Fibonacci from 2021. Then we've got the 432.6, $7.41, another 10 to 15%. 2618 at $8.51, another 10%. At that level, I'm going to be only selling 10%. And then these are levels which, if we have a very good bull market, we might actually reach. $11.70, another 10-15%. $13.69, another 10-15%. And then my final target, very unlikely to achieve. But if we do, I'll be selling probably the rest of my position at $18.16. There is no targets of $100. There's no targets of $50. There's no targets of $1,000. There is one maybe target of $33, but that is just if it's a massive bull run, if XRP's ETF really takes off, if XRP flips Ethereum. That is my final target. My biggest target is $33. My biggest target's not $100. I don't think that's occurring at all. I don't think we're going to $1,000. I don't think we're going to $2,000. I don't think we're going to $50,000. There's no chance any of that's happening. If we do get anywhere above $10, $18, if we get to $33, I think we'll be flipping Ethereum at that point. That might be a possibility. But just as I bought DCAing in, I'll DCA out. I think is the best way to take profits, just to guarantee profits. This is my own personal strategy. I will be selling at levels. I don't know exactly when the top is. No one knows when the top is. Please do hit the like button if you're still enjoying the video. No one knows when the top is. The best way, in my opinion, to take profits is to think of levels that you'll be happy with, to secure profits, to for some people, these levels might even be good take profit levels, and they don't even need to wait that high to go to $5. Some people might have already taken their profits, and congratulations to them. We've already probably seen nearly as an 8-9x since the bottom. So I'm a bit more risk averse. I don't mind taking on a bit more risk, and that's why I'm waiting for higher targets. But I'm going to be starting taking about 10 to 15% at each of these levels: $4.70, $5.30, $6.37, $7.41, $8.51. Any of these might be the high of the market: $11, $13, and then the other ones are just very high targets that might be reached. Very small chance, but any of these can be the top, and I want to be DCAing out. I want to be securing profits at each level. I'm not going to take a strategy where I sell it all at a specific level. So that might work better for some people. For me, what works best is dollar cost averaging out my position at specific levels, which I've seen in the past being tops. I've studied the charts. I've seen how we will perform. I've seen how bull markets occur, especially XRP is a little bit different to other assets. When it moves quickly. And when it moves down quickly. And these levels, I think, are important to start taking profits. Right now, there's nothing abnormal. If the market structure changes, I'm here every week studying it. If we see any consolidation, if we see downwards moves, it might be normal. However, if we see prolonged moves to downside, if we see prolonged sideways action, that might be suggesting we're coming to a top. We might not be following other cycles, and we need to look at it again. But right now, it looks like it's business as usual. It looks like it's how XRP's performed in previous runs. I'm still very confident. This is very bullish. We are overbought, but that's what happens in bull markets. You always get overbought. In 2017, on the weekly, we went as high as 95. We're at 90 right now. And actually, it's more bullish that we're overbought on the RSI, because that gives the bulls the momentum and we can continue moving further up. So right now, I'm very happy with my XRP position. I just want to bring you the real news, my real strategy, what I'm actually going to be doing. No fake news here. If you did enjoy the video, please do hit the like button. If you want more information, join me every Sunday. The market can change, Bitcoin can change. I'll be here every Sunday giving you my thoughts and opinion. Please do subscribe if you haven't. And as I said, 500 likes, $100 to charity. We'll do a giveaway for the members as well. We've got 291 people watching live, so thank you for that. But I will close out the video now. Thank you all for watching. There'll be two videos, one up here, one down here for you to watch if you're watching this as a video. But until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, that was my XRP analysis, and I've turned that into a video as well for anyone who won't be watching just during this live stream. So we did have members only mode on. Now it's off. Members only mode is off. Everyone can chat. So anyone who's not a member, feel free to ask, put some questions in the chat. I'll be covering everyone's questions. So please do start commenting in the live chat. If everyone wants to give me, I just want to see how many people actually own XRP. If you put a 1 in the chat if you own XRP, and a 2 if you don't. So just put a 1. Anyone who owns XRP, just spam the 1. I want to see how many people actually own XRP. So just please spam the 1 just to let me know if you're holding XRP. I want to see if there's more 1s in the chat or more 2s. So 1 if you hold XRP, 2 if you don't. And then we can do a few more polls and answer your questions. 1, so Donas is holding XRP. Nimash is holding. Keep spamming it. Let me see. Bart is holding it. Congratulations to you, Bart. Vanessa isn't holding it. Vanessa is one of our members. 1 as of today, the class Carnot. Welcome to the XRP family. Stephen Lundaski is not holding it. Owen is holding it. Rusty, congratulations. Stacey Bailey, loving it. MSK, I know you're holding it. You love it, don't you? Martyn is not holding it. Michelle Becker is holding it. Kevin's holding it. Carl Moore is not holding it. Interesting. Wade's holding it. Martyn has sold his XRP. He's happy with it. He just wants to be impartial. So spam it like Martyn is. Keep hitting it. Jose is holding it. Jocelyn, sorry, is holding it. Congratulations to you. Mike is holding it. Mike is very against crypto, but he sees how great XRP is. Putting words in his mouth. Stefan Raoul is holding it. So I think a lot more people are holding it than not holding it so far. Eugene is holding it, not for long. holding 5,100 at 52 cents. Arun Anthony, when are you selling? What's everyone's targets? What does everyone actually think it's going to? Does anyone believe these, I call them scammers, really, the ones that I've showed you the videos. Mike Palashilo 1, Saving Ferris is holding it. What's everyone's targets? Just drop it. Are you looking at $5, $10? Are you one of the people that think it's going to $100 a cycle? Let me know what your targets are as well. Brenton Meadows is holding it. What does 1 and 2 mean? So 1 is if you hold XRP, 2 is if you don't. That's what we're doing, just trying to get a gauge on what the viewers of the channel. $13. Johnson Videos, $13. Are you selling anything before that? I did say $13 might be one of my higher targets, much one of the targets on the much higher side. Dante's $10. Mike is saying $5. Sorry, I sold my XRP last night. Is it possible to come back to 193? We can have a look at the shorter term analysis for XRP. Sure, we can do that. I'll have a look at that. $10 would be nice as Bart. 10,600 XRP at $1.110. Still a good entry price now you look at it, isn't it, Matthew Kelly? Congratulations. Fight Channel saying $5. That's I think my average. What I'm thinking is $5. I've always thought that since buying it. Of course, now seeing the price go up, I'm human like everyone else. I get a little bit swayed. I think you can go higher, not only because of my emotion, but also because how quickly we've moved there. I think there might be a little bit more into it, but $5 I think is a great point to take profits. Dave Cook is holding it. Mark is saying $7. Interesting. A lot of people here are on the higher side, aren't they? No one's saying I'm taking profits now. No one's saying $3. $7, says Mark. My target's reaching $1 million before Martyn is an investor. My target's just with your XRP position at MSK, is it? Everyone's on different journeys. You can't compare yourselves to each other. There's no point doing that. Everyone's on their own journey. Everyone's got their own strategy. But it's great to learn from each other. It will go to $3, Patrick Black. I think it's going to surpass all-time highs. That's why I'm not selling any of my main positions. It's a very different market. The crypto market has expanded so much since 2017. XRP's utility has grown since 2017. XRP didn't get would have broken all-time highs, in my opinion, if the SEC didn't sue, didn't go after Ripple Labs. In 2021, I think we would have seen all-time highs 4 years ago. So yes, sold my Litecoin today at $118. Congratulations, Zach. It's always selling shouldn't be someone else determines at what price you should sell. You should look at other people's strategy and you should make up your own mind. $8 then up to $27. Crypto boo boo. Have you been watching those videos that I've just been sharing? Be careful with what's out there. There's a lot of fake influencers out there that are just trying to sell videos. $27. It would basically if it went to $27 now, we can do the calculations, but I think it would be very close to Bitcoin's market cap. $10,000 a coin. Stacey Bailey's loving it. Canadian dollars, says Mike. A good God, MSK. Is a pullback likely when people figure out that there's never plans for 60? No. Again, careful where you get your news from. Careful when people realize that never plans for 60-minute interview. Is it possible that some of the bullishness we're seeing today is due to sick? No, because I think people have realized we've put the news out. I think people realize that there's no 60-minute interview now. But there are plans. The interview has been filmed. It just takes a while to cut it up, to produce it, and to put it out. So the 60-minute interview is happening, just not today. And I think, as an answer to your second part of the question, I don't think that this. I don't think purely based on the 60-minute. This pump is based on the 60-minute interview hype of today, because the real big investors that move the price of XRP, they know that there is no interview today. The people that always get hurt the most is the retail investors. The people that get influenced the most is the retail investors. So that's why we want to bring the news to you. That's why I want to be clear. I don't think the price will move that much based on this, because the major investors, unless they want to play with us, the major investors are the ones that move the price. There's the institutions buying, and that's why Coinbase's price, I believe, went up more. So I'll get onto that in a second as well. Please do hit the like if you're watching it live. hit subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, your name and everything comes up. So if everyone just starts subscribing now, we'll get a lot of notifications and it'll be quite cool. So if everyone can just hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, that would be great. $4.70 take 15% of profits, $5.30 15%. Profit. Consider much larger pull-out profit. Love your strategy. Oh, thank you very much. You can always watch it back. This is it's going to come out as a video as well. Look at my strategy, formulate your own strategy. Maybe it doesn't go that high. I can't predict the future. Maybe Bitcoin crashes. Maybe Satoshi Nakamoto comes out tomorrow and he sells and his wallet moves and everyone panics. Or maybe there's another COVID or something. There might be something. We might not get those targets. But that is that is my strategy. That is what I think is the best for myself. That's what I've been waiting for. That's what I've been investing for. I don't mind holding XRP for longer as well if we don't hit those profits. But each person's strategy should be their own. You should formulate it yourself. But thank you for saying that you like my strategy. Why are people saying it's on 60 Minutes? I don't know, Martyn. We've brought them the news like we said about 50 times. It's not airing tonight, and they still are listening to people that are just playing with their emotions and selling them fake videos. Hi, Sensei. I did something to realize that Martyn continuously describes during his live sessions. I sat on the toilet with my phone app and bought 30 XRPs and $1.43. I don't have any price expectation. Sometimes we make the best decisions while we're on the toilet. Wadey, up to 84% on Gala. What do you think? Sell Gala for my XRP? I'd be careful about buying XRP now. I think that'll be... if we get a sudden drop, because in the bull market we've seen Bitcoin drop suddenly 30%, and that does affect XRP's price very quickly. If we get sudden drops, if we get a very quick day of a drop, that might be a good time to buy some more XRP. But right now I just can't suggest buying XRP at these prices. And again, I can never suggest buying XRP, but I can't see myself looking to buy more XRP at these prices. The risk to reward, again, my main take profit zone is about a 2.5x from here. So the risk to reward isn't brilliant, in my opinion. But if you're already holding it, then in my opinion, I'd continue holding it to all-time highs. So you have to think about it yourself. I've given you what points I think it's going. I think it's going to make all-time highs, and all-time highs is around $3. So $3.50. So looking for $10 to be completely out. What does that mean, Craig Smith? 100 USD target at 100% will sell 5%, nothing before. I'm sorry to say this, but you're going to get absolutely wrecked in the nicest possible way. Let's just try and work this out. God, $100 market cap, $100 for XRP. So the supply is 100 billion, $100. You're talking about $100 trillion market cap. No, you're talking about a $10 trillion market cap. That's higher than the market cap of gold. That's about 4 times the market cap of Bitcoin. It's just I think, again, $100 target. If XRP starts being used internationally, if XRP is going to be the number 2 cryptocurrency, next bull run, maybe. This bull run, very, 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 very unlikely. Especially if you're only willing to sell 5% at $100. That is just absurd, in my opinion. Again, $100 is not as crazy as some price predictions we've seen of $500, $1,000. I don't think those are ever going to get hit. But $100, and you're only going to sell 5%. Good luck to you. That's all I can say. Safe target $4.50, $5. Yes. Dave Cook is a sensible man, I think. Again, I'm not giving advice, but safe target $4.50 to $5. Yes, it's not. You can't say anything safe, but yeah, that's an area where I can easily seeing it go. And $10 for just in case. That's your strategy. Stick to your strategy. Is that viable for your financial situation? It is for mine. That is basically my strategy. I'm going to be selling at certain levels and just to ladder it out a bit more. But my most of my sales are going to be around. It's going to average around that $6. And then I'm going to keep a little bit in case it does go to $20, $33 in a best case scenario. But that's a great strategy in my opinion. Are there any other coins you invest in? Yes, I can go through my other coins. we do have a great membership program. Martyn, if you can put the link for the membership in the chat, I just want to explain a bit about this membership. It is literally a couple bucks a month. You get a green badge. Every Sunday on my show, you can come in, suggest any coin, any stock, and I do a full analysis, giving you my opinions. When you're watching Martyn's channel, anytime during the trade, Monday to Friday, anything's happening to your favorite stock, or if you've got some news and you want to bring it to our attention, or you need some family members to, we call ourselves the Lucasades, there's a family going on here. All members, all got different strategies. We've got a great Discord channel. If anything's happening to your favorite crypto or stock, you can jump in at any time. Martyn's live about 8 hours a day. Because you've got membership badge, he'll reply to your comment. He'll cover what you need to be covered. Every Sunday, I'll cover all your favorite stocks in crypto. I'm just waiting for Martyn to put that link. I think we've already had it in the chat. Maybe I can find it. But it. Let me find the link. I think we have it here. Just putting this link. It's literally a couple dollars a month, and if you're an XRP, it's just basically one XRP to get an amazing service. Martyn's actually the world piano man, so he'll sing you a happy birthday song. He used to charge about $500 for them when he was touring, for example. I was just asking for the link for the membership. But yeah, the membership is literally it's like a price of an XRP. You get so much benefits. You get access to the Discord. I post on the Discord. We've got traders on the Discord. We've got a lot of amazing information on the Discord. We don't sell courses. We don't give you fake. It's all basically for free once you get the membership, and it's a couple dollars. It's not like $50, $100, $500. These are crazy prices I see all these YouTubers charging right now. But you get this badge next to your name. As you can see, most of our members have it, and you get the best service. Anytime you have a badge, we know that you're a member. You join the family, and you can you get priority. Let's see how many people were watching. 179. So please do consider that. It's literally a couple bucks. It's literally one XRP. If you become a member now, I'll look at your favorite stock or crypto as well. It's not as simple as that, Donald. Is XRP a buy or not at the current price? 3 months ago, I would say yes. Every time it drops below 50 cents, I mean, that's what I've been saying. Everyone's going to be bored of me saying it as my members. Every time it drops below 50 cents, buy some more XRP. Now, is it a buy? It depends on your situation. What's your risk to reward? It might go up another, in my opinion, it's going to go up another, probably going to double. At least it's going to go up 55%. But is this a good time to buy? Well, maybe we have a 50% correction tomorrow. I'm happy with a 50% correction because my buys were much lower. If it goes down 50%, I might consider buying more. I think the best thing to do is just see, are you it's a very hard question to ask, Donald. You can't. It's like when you see a crypto go up that much, you're FOMOing in. That you have to look at better entry points. But I can't give you an answer. It depends on your financial situation. What you're putting in now, you have to be prepared for it to go down 80% in a bear market. Yorkshire farming, so XRP trades very differently. Once it gets going, it sort of just keeps going, and it has very quick corrections. But I agree. But yeah, Donald, with regards to is it a good buy or not? It depends on your situation. You have to be prepared for a bear market. A bear market is a 90% drop from all-time highs, and that goes sideways for 4 years. If you can handle that, then I think XRP is one to stick around. I think XRP is probably going to $5. And I think it's going to $10, and I think it might possibly go to $100 next cycle. But it depends on your own situation. I think there's definitely been better points to buy. There's been more areas when I've been much more confident to buy XRP. I don't feel 100% confident buying XRP here. I felt very confident at buying XRP at 30 cents. I felt very confident buying XRP every time it drops below 50 cents. Right now, I can't say it's an amazing buy. I have to be honest. I think it's going to continue doing well. I'm still holding all my position, and I think it's going to at least double. But the risk to reward is much worse than it was 2 months ago. Let's look at some other cryptocurrencies. Does anyone become a member? The link is in the chat. I would love to see at least one person become a member. It's literally the price of an XRP. And as you can see, at points where it gets too busy, it's only members can only. We do a lot of members only streams, a lot of members only chats, so we can focus on the people that pay a couple bucks a month. How come you're every time you're on the show, some of the coins go to all-time highs, Zach? Don't ask too many questions, Zach. You don't want to know the answer. Do your research and look at your position. What can you lose and be okay with losing if you invest? Thank you, Stacey, for your thoughts. So yes, XRP. Let's just look at it on a smaller time frame. As you can see, if we go probably to maybe the 1 hour, we're following this trend line up to the upside. Then we had some overhead resistance, this blue line here, and then we consolidated, creating this sort of wedge. And then we finally, but I didn't move these levels. This 2021 high was is quite important level, and as soon as it breached it, it just went up, and in an hour it went up 8%. So we're above the 2021 high. Yes, we can come back down to $1, just below $2, and that will be fairly bullish, because it will come and it will retest this level. But my next main target for XRP in this move is to take it up to $2.62. So I wouldn't be concerned if it comes back down to $1.97. This is not a break of structure. This might just be a bullish retest, and then we can move up to $2.62. I don't think there's much resistance in our way up to $2.62. So that's XRP. Bitcoin has been going sideways, which is quite good. Every time Bitcoin goes sideways, it allows these altcoins, some of that money to flow into the altcoins. I am expecting Bitcoin to break 100,000. Once it breaks 100,000, there is a sell wall at 100,000. There are shorts over there. There are limit orders to sell at 100,000. That's why it's a key level. But as soon as it breaches 100,000, so many shorts can get liquidated, and I think we'll fly right past 100,000. What I've said previously for Bitcoin, I mean, we're ahead of set. What have I done? We're actually a little bit ahead of schedule. I mean, when I was looking at XRP, Bitcoin, I said we'll be between 85 and 90,000 by the end of the year, and that's when we're looking at this consolidation pattern. People said I was crazy for thinking it's going that high. That had already occurred, but we came back, we retested that level, and I think we are going to break 100,000, maybe probably this month. Once we sort of break above the previous sort of, once we break 100,000, as soon as you break 100,000, I think it's going to spike up, because there's a lot of shorts around 100,000, a lot of sell walls. Once that gets taken out, I think we'll go up to maybe, let's have a look at a Fibonacci level. If the structure doesn't change, then we're looking at sort of going straight to about $105,000 on Bitcoin. So yeah, I think we'll break 100,000 and go up another 5%. So I think that's looking good. That will be again good. That will bring more money into the market. That money then does flow into altcoins, which is good. Some other coins I've been looking at. XLM, that moves up with XRP. That was a great buy a couple weeks ago when we bought it, 3x in a week. There's sometimes opportunities like that to take. Remember, that was one of the best trades we've had in the last couple of months. That was about a 3.5x in a week. So congratulations on that. The next main resistance on XLM is this. Oh, here we go.
Vaz donated £4.99 through a super chat. Sensei, good as always. Friday party and Sensei Sunday are the highlights of every week.
Thank you very much. This is Vaz. He's been here every single week on my Sunday show. He's a great supporter of the channel. Sensei, good as always. Friday party and Sensei Sunday are the highlights of every week. Thank you, Vaz, for your donation. That is very kind. Thank you, Vaz, for being here every week and supporting. For XLM, we've got this sort of a from 2017 resistance. This is downward sloping resistance, and I think the next target, once we break that, is about it's the 2021 highs, which we've already hit on XRP, which is about 80 cents. Then the 2017 highs, which is 93 cents. So again, it might be looking at a nice opportunity to get back into XLM. It's not on a technical level, but just looking at XRP is already past its 2021 highs, and XLM will probably do the same, so that we can expect. If XRP holds those levels, we can expect XLM to go up maybe 50% this week. So I'm still holding my XLM position. Some other coins that I've been buying: Gala, that I've been buying that. That's doing what we're hoping it's doing. That should head up higher. Flare token, again, one of my other larger holdings is Flare. That's a token that's built on XRP that might get some of the traction based on that, but it's basically a better chain link. I've been to a few events with the co-owner of co-developer of Flare. He seems like a very genuine person, and that's important to see. But Flare, that is one I'm looking at. Much lower market cap, is still in the top 100, but this is a token that if it goes crazy, it goes crazy. It's at 2 cents now. This can go up to 20 cents. It can 10x. It can 15x. It can might even go to 50 cents. So again, more risky on the scale, but also higher return. So Flare is another token I'm looking at. Dot we've been buying now, that's doing pretty well. Our buy zones were around $3.50, as you can see on the chart. Now it's at $9. Will it go to all-time highs? Maybe not. Be careful. A lot of these cryptocurrencies you've bought previously might not go all the way back to their all-time highs. $15 will be my first target on Dot. But yeah, this was focusing on Waves again, something else we've been buying at $1. Now it's at $2. Wow, wow, wow.
Martyn Lucas Investor donated $99.99 through a super chat. Amazing job, Sensei. You have helped so many people to learn and make money. So proud of you. You are loved by the family.
Oh my God. Thank you so much, Martyn Lucas Investor. That's the biggest super chat we've ever got on a Sunday show. Wow, 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 wow. That is absolutely incredible. $100 super chat. Amazing job, Sensei. You've helped so many people learn and make money. So proud of you. You are loved by the family. Thank you very much, Martyn. And I'd like to thank you for giving me a platform to do my show, to do my Sunday shows. Without you, none of this would have been possible. And I'm very happy to have stumbled upon you one day and get involved in the channel. I was a member like everyone else, but me and Martyn developed a great friendship, and Martyn's helped me ever since. And now we've got $100 super chat. Amazing job, Sensei. This is absolutely amazing. Biggest super chat on the Sunday show. Let's blow up the chat. Wow, that means a lot, Martyn, and it's great. How many people do we have? 156 people watching. It's probably one of our busiest live shows as well. So that is amazing. Thank you very much, Martyn. I can't get over that. Wow. That's absolutely amazing. I don't know how to get over that one. $100 super chat. I don't think anyone can top that. You've grown so much. You offer so much to show. Thank you. Thank you very much, Martyn. None of this would have been possible without you. And I couldn't have thought of a better channel to be a part of. And I think that all the members would say the same. All the members love this channel, and that's something you've created, and it's something you should be very proud of. Is the channel you've created. But yes, all the members love it. Thank you very much, Martyn. Let's move on to. I think Vaz wanted me to have a quick look at. We have to go back to our members. We've done our XRP segment. Let's go back to what our paying viewers are asking for. If you want to become a member, please do become a member. That's the link again. Couple dollars a month. It's literally $2. Become a member on that link, and then we can look at your favorite crypto and stocks as well. If you haven't already, please do hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you've just tuned in. We've done our full XRP segment. You can rewind for that, or you can wait for the video to come out. And if you want to become a member, that will be great as well. Your name will pop up and you will get access to all sorts of exclusive stuff. Discord, members only live channels, birthday songs, reviews. Martyn will do fundamental reviews. I'll do the technical reviews. You get birthday songs. You get you basically become part of the family, which is great. So do consider becoming a member. Gold is something else we've been looking at. Again, gold is coming down, which is fine. We've surpassed our area where we thought gold was going this year. So the last target will be $2,800, and we can come to support between $2,300. But let me just, what was I looking for? I was looking for Vaz's suggestions, which I've already got highlighted here. Look at this, absolutely amazing. Congratulations, Vaz. Look at this. This is one me and Vaz have been looking together. He's been suggesting it. I think this is a circle of a nice buy over here. $2.80. We've gone resistance support, gone up, and past our previous main resistance, which I said this is a very important level, and we've hit our targets. Congratulations, Vaz. I see why you want to sell. We are at a very important level. The IPO price. The main target of this full trade, $10. If it was me, I'd take significant profits. Just be wary. I mean, we've seen a lot of stocks go past the IPO levels and then continue moving up, but this is the target we've been waiting for, around $10, and we've reached it. So congratulations. Congratulations, Vaz. We've been covering this chart most weeks actually, and finally you got your 3x in a matter of a couple months. So congratulations, Vaz. At this level, I'd be looking to sell. Joby was the other one we've been looking at. This one I might hold on for a bit longer. At least until $10 again on this one, and then your IPO, that's around, and then probably $12, so you can ladder out, selling a bit at $10, selling a bit at $12, and then holding the rest in case you make new all-time highs. But this has been performing well as well. We've been looking at this upwards trending support, and that's taking us up to $88. Yeah, so let's have a look at any of. We did promise CRO. The first person in the chat today was suggesting CRO, so we always have to do what the first person recommends. James also likes this coin as well. CRO, another one of the tokens we like. CRO, how's the chart looking? You've broken. Is this the chart we normally use? Maybe not. There we go. We've also seen, yeah. I mean, you've broken your previous high during the bear market of 18 cents. That's good as long as you hold. That's an important level to hold, this 18 cents level. And then literally there is, remember, all seasons get very crazy, very quick to the upside. There's not much overhead resistance at this point. You might have some at, probably best looking at it on an exchange we've got a better view. Yeah, there's just not, it's very quick moves up now. You can suddenly spike to 36 cents. You might want to limit order there just because there might be a sudden spike and a pullback. But again, once you break 33 cents, then we can look at a few Fibonacci's, but then it might be 68 cents. And then again, $1 is an area where CRO might be able to go again. But again, remember, a lot of tokens might not reach their 21 highs. A lot of tokens that came out in 2017 didn't reach their 2017 highs in 21. So something to be careful of. But yeah, CRO is looking good. It accumulated for a while. It's ready to take off. Remember, it went up very fast in 2021. In about 4 weeks, you got most of your gains. So that can happen again. A lot of these cryptos, you blink and they've already taken off, and you might forget to take profits, and then you lose it all. So be careful and have a strategy in mind. But yes, I would sell on the way to dollar, but I do think a dollar past the dollar is possible for CRO. 51 cents, 50 cents might be taking half my profits, and then the rest, maybe it's some at dollar, and then the rest letting it ride to maybe $2-3. But remember, there was a big exchange push in 21. There was the Coinbase listing and all that sort of stuff. And there was a fake full FTX market valuation as a fake company. So there was a lot of money going into exchanges. We might not have that sentiment this time around. That's why I don't mind taking profits around 50 cents on CRO. So yeah, let's have a look at your comments. We do normally finish at this time, but I will wait around just to see if there's any final thoughts from anyone. We still have 139 people watching. How many likes do we have? We've got 200 likes. Brilliant. Do hit that like button. When this comes out as a video, remember to go back on that video and hit the like button. 500 likes, we'll do a giveaway, and we'll be giving $100 away to charity. We've just got a $100 super chat from Martyn Lucas as well, which is the biggest super chat. You can reply over here as well. Wow. Thank you. $100 super chat for Martyn. That is the biggest super chat we've ever got on a Sunday show. I'm really, really surprised that no one has chosen to become a member. All these XRP army people, you found a very big XRP ball who's given you my full strategy. No one does that, and you can become a member for $2. If you're really part of the XRP community, click that link. It is on YouTube. It's certified. It's not a crypto scam. You're on YouTube. You can find it on the homepage of the channel if you're on Android, or if you're on a Safari, if you're on an Apple phone. Obviously, Apple doesn't let you do that anymore. So you have to go to the YouTube on your computer or on a selected browser, then request a desktop version. But it's literally $2. If you're an XRP holder, that's one XRP, and the amount of value you get out of an XRP is absolutely amazing. Imagine your whole position. If you don't know the right time to sell, if you're not following the market sentiment, then your whole position can basically come back down to zero. But if you become a member, you can ask all these questions. You can ask for your favorite cryptocurrencies. You can ask for your favorite stocks for a price of $2. For the price of one XRP, you can save your whole position. So I'm very surprised no one's decided to become a member. The first person that becomes a member, I'll do a very special video for you. So do consider the link is just a few up in the chat. It's literally $2. $2 or $3 to become, it's like one XRP to become a member, and you get in. Every single one of the members would say you get out so much more than you put in. That's why people have become members for years. Okay, let's read some of your comments before we wrap up the show. If we get a few members, we can just stay. If we keep getting members, a member every 10 minutes, I'll stay up all night just doing the XRP chart and doing trades all night. That'll be quite fun, actually. What's XRP at now? Let me just share one thing with you. So XRP on Coinbase actually, it went above the price that it should have gone. We had this massive spike. There's a lot of big buys coming in. I assume the volume really went up for over here. I think that's institutional buying, in my opinion. And that's what suddenly surged XRP's price up to $2.40. $2.40 isn't what XRP's price should have been. XRP's price, for example, on Binance, let's just look at Binance. I haven't looked at this, but I assume it would be, yeah, it's $2.20. So on Coinbase, they must have had not enough sort of a liquidity issue where the price spiked. And the same thing can happen on the way down. It might spike lower than the price actually is on different exchanges. So we went up to $2.40, like, oh my God, it spiked up $2.36. So it spiked up 8% above the actual market price. So that's bullish on the way up, but quite bearish on the way down. But yeah, we might be seeing an XRP shortage on exchanges and also some sort of institutional buying as well. But I'm not going to say that's 100%. That's just what I've experienced and what I think that might have been on Coinbase's exchange. So be careful with all the fake news that might come out of that. Oh, JP Morgan bought 1 trillion. No, it's not that. There might just be some institutional buying, and Coinbase might have not been able to facilitate that order at that specific level. Has anyone become a member yet? I can't believe it. Sensei, please. There we go. We've got the link again. I can't believe no one wants to pay 1 XRP to become a member. I guess you don't like hearing the truth, really. You just would prefer to listen to all these XRP lies I exposed earlier. You want to hear about the 100 that we even if it makes us more money, which the membership only just sort of supports upgrading the materials. If you look at Martyn's studio, you can see that basically all the money goes into providing you with the best service. But anyway, you'd rather watch these people give their money for terrible and misleading news of $10,000 XRP, fake settlements of $150 per XRP, fake 60-minute news. We brought that to you live. We were one of the first people to cover the fakeness of that. You'd rather listen to all these. Rather listen to this. Let's have a listen to this.
And then the Lord showed me driving down the road about X and P. But I won't give the other one because this is not financial advice. But I saw that certain thing going above $10,000. And I saw it going to $5 quickly. And the Lord told me that this would be big like Apple, Microsoft, it would be the new .com era that's coming. That a new .com era was coming through digital platform. It'd be a supernatural wealth transfer coming through certain things. And I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, I believe we are seeing President Trump step on the scene with Elon Musk. And we are seeing people who have a different way of thinking. The middle letter.
Okay, sorry about that, Martyn. Hopefully we don't get any. I don't see anything on the YouTube studio, so hopefully we're fine. But yeah, I was just showing you some of the fake news out there. But we best finish up the show. Cut the music. Thank you, Martyn, for bringing that to my attention, mate. You're spot on, but it's sad to see the crypto scene. People only want to hear you supporting their gambling addiction. Thank you for becoming a subscriber, Petty. We tried our best. We're bringing you the real news. Oh, we did get a membership. Stephen Moss. We got a member. Wow. There is light at the end of the tunnel. We've got Stephen Moss.
Stephen Moss has become a member.
Stephen Moss, welcome to the channel. Is there anything you want me to specifically have a look at? There's a whole list of members perks you get. Join us, join Martyn every trading day. Big Red's weed review. So Brad's not doing 60 minutes. How many times do we have to bring you the news? It's not airing today. Nothing that we've proven that it's not happening. Martyn's reached out to the 60 minutes. No, there is no interview today. However, what we have to look at is real sources. Brad Garlinghouse's Twitter. He said it will be airing soon. Details to come. He's done the interview. Brad has done this. I don't even know what your question really means. So no, Brad's not doing 60 minutes. He's done 60-minute interview. This is the problem with all the fake news around XRP at the moment. There's so much noise, and that's what we're trying to stop. All this random noise. People are getting confused about very simple things. Brad's done the interview. It takes at least a couple weeks to edit. We had to stay tuned for details when that 60-minute interview is. A lot of people said it was today. We've just come out and said it's not today. It is happening. It will come out. We just don't need to speculate when it is until we've actually got the details. Stephen Moss, you've become a member. Thank you very much. Is anyone else going to follow suit? We've given you the link. A membership link is already in the chat. Do join Stephen Moss. We need some more XRP army. We need some more of the XRP family to join the Lucasade family. That would be great. We need some more balls of XRP in the channel. Stephen Moss, welcome in the family. Let's give Stephen Moss a big welcome in. I don't remember your comments, Stephen Moss. Who have you been participating in today's show? I think I've seen. I definitely remember the name. But now there's too many chats. Let me refresh that. Something's going on. Okay, welcome in, Stephen Moss. Thank you for becoming a member. Is there anything specifically you want me to have a look at before we end the show? If anyone else wants to follow suit, that would be absolutely amazing. You can still see Martyn Lucas's $99 super chat. If you do give super chats, we cover your news straight away. But thank you, Martyn, for that. Just making sure we are still got no warnings. Good. Okay, I think it's time to finish up the show. Stephen Moss, hi all, from Hull in the UK. We've got another UK member. We love it when we get UK members. I live in the UK. Martyn's formerly lived in the UK. He now lives in Texas. We try and work with different time zones. But we are mostly dominated by the US. So it's great to have someone from the UK in the show as a member. So welcome in Stephen Moss. MSK is also from the UK. Stephen's from the US. Vaz is actually from the UK. James is also from the UK. So we are trying to get more UK members in the channel. Stephen Moss, are you here because of XRP? Are you an XRP investor? Or are you what is it that brought you into the financial markets, and why are you how did you discover our channel? I did my show one night in Vegas, at the whole new theatre. Oh, you're going to love it, Stephen Moss. Tune in tomorrow. Martyn will be live, and he can tell you all about his visit to Hull the day before it flooded. Wow, that will be an interesting story for all of us, I think. One of the best theatres in the UK. We're coming up to the end of the show. That's why we're not we're not going through. We just want to have a chat with all our members and new subscribers. We've still got 125 people watching, so thank you for watching. Please do hit the like button. We did our full XRP analysis before. We're keeping an eye on the price, but now we just want to unwind and speak to our members. I'd love to see how Stephen must have discovered the channel and if he's an XRP holder. We need some more XRP holders as members. It's literally one XRP. I don't know why you're not flooding in. We're making all this money, but you don't want to keep up to date with all the sell zones, and you get out so much more than you put in. XRP right now, still looking at this breakout watch. We're looking for it to continue moving. Where is our chart? Maybe. We're looking for $2.62 as our next target on the upside. If it comes back down to just below $2, that's also bullish, as that can be a retest of our major 2021 high, but we've broken out of 2021 high. Let me just show you that monthly candle again, because that's an absolute monstrous candle that we've created last month, up 283%, and already this month we're up 10%, so it's looking good. The weekly candle closes today. And that will be the highest weekly candle close since the highest weekly candle close. Wow, since January of 2018. That's the highest weekly candle close since January of 2018. If that isn't bullish, I don't know what is. That is, XRP is breaking all key levels, and it's making multi-year highs, which is great. Okay, so we're going to bring the show to an end. I think we covered what everyone wanted to hear. We'd have no more requests. MSK, I'm just vibing. It's funny when people say 1k XRP by the end of next year. Dante, why are you not a member? You're part of the more sensible people. Become a member. That would be great. You're an XRP holder. We need more XRP holders, I think. Only a 5-minute walk from the Hull Theatre. Stephen Moss, amazing. We're doing the extra show. This show will take you right there. Stop loss at 300 billion is a reach. 300 trillion probably at that point. Let's another big news about XRP. We flipped Solana on. I'll just show you coin market cap. Okay, so this is coin market cap. Number one is Bitcoin at 2 trillion, Ethereum at 450 billion. Number 3 is Tether USDT at 134 billion, and XRP is now number 4. It overtook Solana. It's now the 4th biggest cryptocurrency. I think there might be a battle between XRP and Ethereum. XRP is the only other coin that's ever been in the number 2 position. Can that happen again? Maybe. We'll follow it every week. But we're only about 3x away from Ethereum. And as you can see, we are close from flipping Tether as well to become the 3rd largest cryptocurrency coin. I've just seen a quick request for our members. We have to do these sort of things. Vaz has also given a super chat. I'm just waiting. I guess everyone's trading XRP and trading view is struggling to load. Why is this not like Movix? There we go. Movix Labs, quick look at it. Oh, Vaz, you didn't have to do that, but very kind. Now we'll have to spend a bit.
Vaz donated £4.99 through a super chat. Mobix, please.
Thank you, Vaz, for giving a super chat. It actually gives members more time for all the non-members to consider becoming a member. Thank you for the super chat. Let's have a look at Mobix. Mobix is this? It's been coming down. I bought. Mobix is the one that Martyn interviewed the CEO, right? Mobix. I'm 90% sure that's the one that Martyn interviewed the CEO. Let me just check. I don't want to get this wrong. We had to verify everything we say. Is it? Yes, yes, it is. Mobix Labs. So this is an amazing example of fundamentals and technicals sort of work together. Sometimes it's important to look at the technicals, sometimes the fundamentals. Most of the time, it's just the both of them. However, when I saw that interview, I got very bullish on Mobix. And I like the fundamentals. I like the way that the CEO was talking. I like the fact that he had a company before that he sold. So I bought some, and I think you might have done the same. So I'm actually holding Mobix, but I haven't looked at the technicals. So it's great that you've suggested this. We have looked at the technicals before previously, but not for a while, not since this downtrend. We've been Thanks for Martyn. The Again, a lot of you might have seen Martyn, or the new people that are in the chat. He does bring on CEOs on this channel, gives us great opportunities to actually see what these CEOs are saying. And ever since that interview, I think we've gone up basically, we've sort of 2x, 3x nearly. So congratulations everyone on that trade. But you want the levels. One key level coming up is that $1.80. We got very close to $1.74, and then we sold off on our last 4 hour on Friday. So that is one key level. We have gone up very quickly, very fast. So $1.82 might be a level, but again, if you're holding for the fundamentals, if you're looking at more long-term targets, I'll be looking between $2.44 and $2.94. That is one level that we've previously seen. That's been one level that we've been looking at previously when it before it capitulated. So that's where I would be targeting between $2.44 and $2.91. If you're looking at more short-term sort of trading ranges, $1.81, it might come back down to $1.17 for a final buy to just get your final limit orders to buy if at $1.18. $1.81 is resistance. You break above that, you've got two other levels, $2.23, $2.45 to get through. But yeah, my main target would be between $2.44 and $2.91, and then holding the rest for levels such as $5.86. But it's looking bullish. I mean, you can see you've finally got this a situation where you've got this sort of S-curve sort of situation where the momentum is building. You've just become a bit overbought on the 4 hours, which is not too big of a concern. You look at the 3 days and you're not overbought yet, so you do have a lot more running available for Mobix, in my opinion. But yeah, I think Mobix is still looking bullish. First target 182. My main target's between $2.44 and $2.91. But okay, we've come to the end of the show. Thank you all very much for participating in the show. It's been one of my favorite shows. I do love XRP. I do love seeing the price of XRP go up. I love seeing people make money. Again, I know there's I'm not giving financial advice, but I know opinions do affect people. So I'm trying to bring you the real news. I'm trying to debunk all of this fake news that might affect you and just bring you the real news. So I hope you appreciate that. If you do, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Look out for that XRP video that will come out. That hopefully, if you see it on your YouTube, it would be great to just let it play the whole way through. Smash a like on it, leave a comment. Let's make it my best ever video. I'm very happy to see XRP go up. Very happy to be right, but the job's not over. The job's just got started. I need to look at levels to sell. I need to make sure everyone's getting the real information. Especially, it's more important now than it has ever been. Thank you, Sensei. Sensei, I did make a 500 super chat on today's show, but Martyn invested uses magic in the music show. And did you do MSK? Not to worry. There's always next week. MSK, if you like, I can wait around. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm kidding, MSK. It's great to have you as part of the channel. Maybe next weekend. Then you can beat Martyn. Martyn's now set the record for a $100 super chat. But until next time, take care of yourself. Oh, Stephen Moss, holding 1,000 XRP, bought around 35 cents, hold many non-cryptos. Also, amazing, Stephen Moss. You're going to enjoy this. We're live every Sunday. UK time is 9 o'clock. Hopefully that's a good time for you. Live every Sunday at 9 o'clock. In the US, I think it's 3 p.m., 4 p.m. Central Time. But yes, everyone who joined today, hopefully I'll see you next week. Don't just join when the hype is up. You need to be around all the time to keep up to date with the latest news and the trends. But until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Bye bye.